Ever wondered if your RingCentral phone system can still function when the Wi-Fi goes down? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many business owners and remote workers alike. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of RingCentral and explore whether it's truly capable of operating offline. Let's face it, Wi-Fi outages can happen at the most inconvenient times. Whether it's a power surge, a network issue, or simply a faulty router, losing internet connectivity can disrupt your business operations. So, can RingCentral be your lifeline during these digital blackouts? Understanding RingCentral's offline capabilities. RingCentral's core features. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap some of RingCentral's core features. As a cloud-based communication platform, it offers a wide range of functionalities, including voice calling, video conferencing, messaging, and team collaboration tools. Cloud-based versus on-premise. Unlike traditional phone systems that rely on physical hardware, RingCentral is hosted in the cloud. This means its infrastructure is not tied to a specific location, making it potentially more resilient to disruptions. The role of internet connectivity. While RingCentral is cloud-based, it still requires an internet connection to function optimally. Most of its features, such as making and receiving calls, sending messages, and participating in video conferences, depend on a stable internet connection. Can RingCentral work offline? The short answer. The reality. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. RingCentral is not designed to operate completely offline. It's heavily reliant on internet connectivity to provide its core services. Exceptions to the rule. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. For example, some RingCentral apps may have offline features, such as the ability to view call history or access voicemail messages. But these capabilities are limited and do not replace the full functionality of the online platform. Understanding the limitations. Call quality and reliability. When operating offline, the quality and reliability of your calls can be significantly compromised. Factors such as network congestion, signal strength, and the distance from the nearest cell tower can all impact the quality of your voice calls. Missed calls and delayed messages. If you're offline when someone tries to call or message you, you may miss these communications. While RingCentral may have features to store missed calls and messages, you won't be able to receive them in real time. Video conferencing challenges. Video conferencing is particularly reliant on a stable internet connection. Offline video calls are likely to experience buffering, pixelation, and audio quality issues. Tips for minimizing offline disruptions. Redundant internet connections. Consider having multiple internet connections, such as a wired connection and a cellular hotspot, to provide redundancy in case one fails. Backup power sources. Ensure that your router and other network equipment have backup power sources, such as uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, to prevent outages during power failures. Mobile apps with offline features. Explore the offline features available in RingCentral's mobile apps. While they may be limited, they can provide some level of functionality during internet disruptions. Emergency contact plans. Develop emergency contact plans for your team in case of major outages. This can help you maintain communication and continuity of operations. The bottom line, while RingCentral is a powerful communication tool, it's important to understand its limitations when it comes to offline functionality. While it's not designed to operate completely without an internet connection, there are steps you can take to minimize disruptions and ensure business continuity. Balancing benefits and risks. Ultimately, the decision of whether to rely on RingCentral for your business communications depends on your specific needs and risk tolerance. If you require a highly reliable and always-on communication system, it may be worth considering additional backup options or exploring alternative solutions. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about RingCentral or exploring other communication options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and reviews. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.